All right, I've got just a little demo of the Greenworks chainsaw. I really liked it, used it on several projects. Kind of wanted to show what it does. It takes these big batteries. I've cut a good number of limbs down. Some of them have already been hauled off, but I've still got 3 bars on my battery, so battery life's really good. And if you come this way, I'll show you how it cuts and how well it does. So, don't try this at home. Good, pretty quick, and it just kind of cuts through. So if you're looking for something like this, I would highly recommend the Greenworks. Plus you can use it with all your other products. The lawnmower, weed eater, blower, I've got all of those and been really happy with Greenworks and their service. So I'll cut one more down for you. But it cuts through thick and thick limbs. You can come see some of these bigger ones that cut through. So hey, you're in the market and you're on the fence, go for it.
You know, I don't feel tired. You know, using other chainsaws, you get so much vibration, you tend to feel tired in the shoulders and elbows, and I don't have any of that with this. I want to cut more. I'm a little disappointed that I'm not going to have more work to do around the house. I need more trees in the yard. This has been my battery powered for years. I don't even know if that's worth going any further. That's a 15-minute job to make one 2-inch cut. Let's see the difference. Wow, my goodness. That's incredible. That just made a perfect, smooth, even cut in 12 seconds compared to me getting a ½ an inch in 20 seconds. And that cut is unbelievable too. That's unreal. I've never had a battery powered chainsaw that could do that. Oh, wow. I've been using it for almost an hour and I still have half a battery left. The battery's compatible with my other Greenworks tools, which I'm in love with, so the fact that I can pick it up and put a battery in it from one of my other tools, I mean, that's why I like staying with one brand, because of the compatibility. And I really cannot absolutely believe that this is a battery powered chainsaw. I've been using battery powered for 7 years and there's no way I would have been able to make these cuts. Awesome. Yep. I'm impressed and happy. Thank you guys for allowing me to use this.